Hi, my name is EJ, and this is video instructions on how to get data set from Excel Spreadsheet Builder in Bloomberg. There is a ribbon menu on Bloomberg in here. If you click the Spreadsheet Builder button, you can see this customization tab. Spreadsheet Builder enables users to search specific data sets and customize the layout of data extraction to the Excel file. The biggest difference with the dashboard is that user can download multiple assets at the same time. First, open an Excel spreadsheet builder and choose the data layout. The most common layout is the historical data table. There are some procedures. First, you have to select companies or securities, and then you select the data or items. Then you can customize the period, currency, and the visualization of the data sets. First, we have to choose which companies or securities to extract. You can just input the ticker or search company, or you can select data sets among the left tabs. I will search, for example, this Apple and Google. And Amazon. You can select securities for several or a lot of securities. And if you want to delete each items, you can just click it and delete easily or change the order of the data sets. You can also search the each data or item you need, or select in among the left tab. For example, there is an ESG tab. You can see the subcategories like environmental, social, governance. And they also have another subcategories. So it is really easy to find the specific data set you need using these tabs. For example, if you want the total greenhouse gas emissions, you can just search the subcategories and select this one. Or you can just search here. For example, if you want greenhouse gas scope 2, you can search these and add that to selected field. If you are not sure about which data you need, you can just search the keyword and you can see which data it is and the important ticker of the data sets. When you select the data sets, in this tab, before that, you can also pick a lot of data sets at the same time, because we cannot do this on the BI dashboard because we only have to pick one data set and they can make the one Excel spreadsheet, but you can download a lot of data sets for the same securities at the same time on one spreadsheet. So it is really convenient when you want to compare the data sets for the same period and the same companies. In this tab, you can select the period, periodicity, currency, or even core type. For example, I'll choose the data set from 2004 to current for annual data sets. You can also change the currency or the core type in this data range set. This is the visualization tab. You can customize how to show the data set you downloaded from the Bloomberg terminal and select which data you want to export on the Excel spreadsheet. For example, if you don't want to see the start and end date, you can just click this and remove this, for example. And if you want to not show the security, you can just click them and remove that. And if you want to make the only one spreadsheet for one security, you can click this one, and we choose the two data sets. So there's one security and all the data set you collected. So this is really convenient when you want to just a lot of data sets for one security. This is really convenient option for that. But I will download it just in the same tab. And there's also transpose access button. This changes the access of your data sets. So, and you can preview by clicking the each buttons of the data sets. Every time you click one buttons, they show the data preview on this tab. So it's really convenient. I'll click this and start sell of this. When you complete all the customization, click finish, and they bring some data sets. Yeah, because they are not energy company, they don't show any data from here. But if you select some utilities or another group, they show some data set in here to show you each date and each data set and each companies. It is quite different from what we did on the spreadsheet, because they're not functions. They bring each data set in here, but I prefer same, just copy everything and put the values on the spreadsheet, because it is also connected on the Bloomberg terminal. So when you log out, you cannot see the numbers and data sets anymore. So every time you download the data set from dashboard or the spreadsheet builder, you have to copy that all the data sets and paste it as a value.